Imagine a village of tall guard towers circling one shared treasure map, a big notebook of every trade they protect. When a swap happens, like a digital artwork for coins, the village writes a new page and seals it inside a locked box. The towers watch this process to keep the record fair. But what if a band of rogue pirates quietly took over most towers and steered the vote their way? In blockchain, that takeover can flip records in their favor. Let's find out. At sunset, you trade your digital artwork for coins. A new page is written with the details. Each tower checks the rules and casts a vote when enough votes say yes. The page locks into a box, and the box is added to the map. Now the shared map shows that you own the artwork, and the seller has the coins. The village rests easy because the page is sealed and stacked where everyone can see it. Hours later, the rogue pirates strike, seizing control of most of the towers. With the majority of towers in their hands, they start writing a new version of the map that leaves out your trade. Because they add pages faster, their version grows longer. By the village rule, longest map wins. Their map replaces the honest one. Your trade is removed from the latest pages, your artwork shows as back with the seller, and the pirate's version becomes the truth. In plain English, that is a 51% attack. When a malicious majority controls more than half the guard tower's combined strength, with that power, they can block new trades, reverse recent ones, or even try to spend the same coin twice. Digital ownership stays trustworthy only when many independent towers vote honestly. The more diverse and widespread they are, the safer the map remains. So now, you understand how a 51% attack works, when a malicious majority controls most towers, hijacks the vote, and can rewrite recent pages. You also understand why well-distributed networks protect trust and fairness. Now, here are the main terms you can remember and share. 51% attack. When one group controls most towers and can rewrite recent pages. Guard towers, computers that vote on each page to keep trades fair. Blocks. Sealed records stacked in order so history stays consistent. Blockchain network. The shared notebook all towers maintain together. Village. The whole network and its shared rulebook, the towers and community following these rules. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.